Yo, what's going on, guys? It is your boy here, Lickety YT. As I told you guys, we are gonna be bringing you a frickin' VooPoo drag vape system mod, I guess, review. So we're gonna review this cool little it says drag. But yeah. So it's cool. It's got the screen on it. It looks, got a little juice in there. So we're gonna test it out. So out of 10, how does it hoot? How does it, how does it inhale? That's already a really strong inhale, I would like to say, or inhale, exhale. It was really dope. I like it. So let's give it one more time. Give it, I'm gonna give it a 7.9 out of 10 right now. Maybe the second time will be better, but this is it's not bad. It's not that bad of a device. All right, guys, this was my VooPoo drag frickin' whatever, I would give it an 8. Let's say it's an 8 out of 10. Only due to the fact that you can switch this with an RDA tank and all that type of stuff. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions or anything, just let me know. Comment down below. I will for sure get back to you. Okay, peace out, guys. Wow!